Welcome to Piktochart Visual. This is your dashboard. From here, you can view all of your saved visuals, access all of your workspaces, access your account settings, and organize your visuals into folders. You can also access Piktochart Video if you want to create bite-sized clips of your videos and edit them. Back to Piktochart Visual. To get started, you can select a template format such as infographics, presentations, posters, reports, flyers, social media, and custom-sized templates. After you've selected a template format, you can preview the pre-designed templates or design your own. Once you decide on one, open it in the editor and start adding graphics or text. You can choose from icons, illustrations, photos, and photo frames to insert in your visual to spice it up. You can also rotate or resize the graphics and change their color. You can also add a photo from the Photos library and choose from hundreds of photos. Next, you can use the photo frames to mask your photos into frame designs. You can change the text of the photo frames, as well as the font size and font type. You can also change the background color of the visual. Next, you can play around with the text in the visual. Click on Text in the left panel to start editing your text. You can change the font type, font size, and color from the menu options at the top. You can also select from the different text types such as display, title, header, and more. From here, you can also select text frames. You can choose from a wide variety of different colors and sizes as well as font types for your text. Next, you can add charts to your visual for data visualization purposes. You can choose from various chart types and import your data from Excel or other spreadsheet formats, and you can also customize your chart. There are different types of charts to choose from. If you don't want to import your data, you can also use the data setting to enter the data directly into Piktochart. From the chart settings, you can select the color, the axis titles, and you can choose if you want to include legends. Last but not least, you can select the Styles option on the left panel to set up your brand colors and customize your very own color scheme to use in your visuals. Then you can preview your visual to make sure that it's just the way you like it, and finally, you can download it as a PNG or PDF. You can also add your logo